How's it going, guys? Today I'm gonna let you know how to get rid of the Bing button that's up here. It appeared after an update to Edge. First, you're gonna click Start. You can click type in Registry. It's gonna pop up right here, Registry Editor. Now you're gonna go to you're gonna follow this: Computer, H key, Local Machine, Software Policies, Microsoft, and Edge. So you do that by following the folders, each one with this location right here. Pause the video if you need to follow it. Whenever you get a Microsoft, you click on that folder, you right click, you put new, and you put new key. Now when the window pops up, it's gonna look like this right here. I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. When it pops up like that, go ahead and rename it to Edge, EDGE. Now when that's created, you're gonna right click in this empty space and you can put new DWORD 32-bit value. After that, you can name it to Hubs Sidebar Enabled, just like this. Pause the video if you need to. After that's created, right click on that, click modify, make sure this is 0 and this is clicked, and then press OK. After you do all that, go to your Edge browser and type in Edge, those two dots, / policy. Click enter. It's gonna take you to this page right here. Now you can put reload policies. After you click that, immediately the Bing button will disappear. It's really annoying that it's there. I don't know why Microsoft forces it, but that's how you fix it and that's how you get rid of it. This is on Windows 10. It should work for Windows 11 as well. Alright guys, thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. If it helped you out, leave a like. Thank you.